In this Stinger tutorial, we'll show you the basics of your Stinger system with the strip display. When you turn on your car's ignition, your Stinger will automatically power up. After a few seconds, the strip will blink green, which means it's starting up. When the strip's green light is constant, it is fully operational.
Welcome to Stinger.
And it's not giving any alerts at that very moment. The strip makes use of color-coded alerts and makes driving with the strip very straightforward. Green means relax, yellow means suppressed alert or a safety signal, red means full alert. The strip has 3 buttons, which are touch areas, to operate it with: the left, the center, and the right area. The functions of these touch areas are different per situation, but easy to remember. For instance, when your Stinger gives a radar alert, you can mute the sound by pressing the center touch area. The sound will mute and the strip will turn to yellow until the source of the alert, like a speed trap, is passed. You can adjust the volume of your Stinger with the left and the right touch areas when the light is solid green or while getting an alert. By pressing the menu area, when the light is green, you enter the voice-guided strip menu and the light turns white. By repeatedly pressing the menu button, you can select the various settings as
Radar
indicated
X.
by the voice guidance.
Radar K. Low power only. Radar KA. Automatic false list. Laser mode. Shield up time in seconds. Side protection.
Then, with the down and up buttons, you can cycle through the options for each setting.
On. Off. On.
After about 8 seconds of inactivity, you will automatically leave the settings menu.
Exiting settings.
Check out the video tutorials in which the settings are explained in detail. To meet local regulations, you can erase the radar alerting and laser shield functionalities and some spot list from your Stinger by simultaneously pressing the left and right touch areas for 3 seconds. You can later reinstall them with the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC, for regions where allowed. For more information about reinstalling, please watch the Stinger desktop video tutorials. You can turn your Stinger off by pressing the center area for 3 seconds.
Goodbye.
Please note that after manually turning it off like this, it will not power up automatically the next time you start your car. Press the center area to turn your Stinger back on again. Updating your Stinger is easy. Just connect the Stinger USB key to your Mac or PC and install the updates with the Stinger desktop. Check out the Updating Your Stinger videos for a more comprehensive explanation. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and optimally protect yourself against speed traps.